In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and play Minecraft for free on your computer. Now, the first thing you need to do is open up an internet browser and just type in Minecraft and press enter. Now click on the top website, which is minecraft.net. Go and click on games at the top of this page, then click on Minecraft in the left hand side, then scroll all the way down and select, and to scroll all the way down and click on the Windows 10/11 Java Edition. That should begin downloading onto your computer, then click on your downloads and go and open up Minecraft Installer. Minecraft Installer. Agree to the terms and conditions and press install.